Today is Wednesday, and it is indeed Hatriot Mail Day, with a very special Hatriot Mail related announcement coming up as well.
Between waving a Gadsden's flag from a highway overpass to drafting George Zimmerman for a 2016 run, a patriot has little time for anything else. But when that annoying little dweeb, David Pakman, really pushes the liberal envelope beyond what a God-fearing teabagger can bear, there's Hatriot Mail, your brief respite from the unending deluge of liberal bias.
So the big announcement today is we are calling for way more of these Hatriot Mail graphics. You'll see that we have 6 or 7 that we rotate through. If you're watching, you'll see them over my shoulder. These Hatriot Mail graphics were all created by David Pakman Show viewers, and we want way more of these. So if you have any graphic design skills, please check out the ones that we are cycling here so you can take a look at the ones we use and send us new ones. The only requirements are that they be 1920 by 1080 resolution. Other than that, do whatever you want. Send them in, David at davidpakman.com. Send them in ideally as a high-resolution JPEG file. I think we're going to get some great new ones, Lewis. We've gotten a lot of great ones from our audience so far. And with that being said, let's go on to this week's episode of Hatriot Mail. I'm calling this one the Gay is Treatable. The Gay is Treatable edition of Hatriot Mail, and you will soon understand why.
You are part of the lie machine. Gay and transgender are preventable and treatable. State-of-the-art psychotherapy works. www.narth.com. www.gaytostraight.org. Don't believe the liberal hype. Stop spreading gay propaganda, you lady boy.
Yeah, okay. I have 0 comments on this one. I think anyone who's linking to those websites is well beyond the reach of anything I can say.
I think that's fair to say, David, and well beyond the reach of actual science.
Yeah, most importantly, well beyond the reach of actual science.